October makeup challenge I have given myself to revamp, relearn some new makeup techniques, get experimental with color. I have been pretty safe most of my life, but I'm 58 and I'm doing some new things, and let's go. So we're on the spectrum Roy G. Biv, and on the first 8 days I did just the, straightforward red, orange, yellow, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm doing a little more tertiary colors or antiqued versions of those colors. So today it's back to orange, which is our favorite for Halloween, obviously. And let me tell you the colors that I used. I have an older Tarte palette that actually belonged to my daughter, and she left it here when she moved back to California. So I thought, I'll probably never use these colors, but I, held on to it in case she needed it, or I'll send it to her or whatever. But there's a bright orange in here that's perfect for this look today. We're back on the Antiquity palette from Noctex. This one's being a good one for this challenge. There's a really good kind of antique pumpkin brown, a rusty kind of color, and a golden color, and I use that in the transition areas and on the lid. I prime the lids first with a very light concealer and a white powder, a highlight powder that I use from Florette. That's called Esther Bunny. It is super white, and it really is good if you need to really pop the color, if you really want to show the color, because on mid-tone to darker skin tone, sometimes that color will not pop, so this is a great way to do that. I also took inspiration from one of my favorite YouTube content creators, Jade the Libra. I actually followed this tutorial of hers several years ago when I was first experimenting with Halloween looks, and so man, I have progressed since then. Love Jade the Libra. Actually, as a little shout out to her today, I'm going to wear a little outfit I bought from her. This is Rituals from Profusion. I got this a few years ago from Walmart, and this is a palette I have used quite a bit, and so have my granddaughters. As you can see, they get a little aggressive sometimes, but this color right here has a little sparkle in it. If you're older, if you have watery or sensitive eyes, sparkles can irritate. So just be prepared to have to do a few touch-ups. I can already tell my eyes watering right here. And then I think that is it on the colors. I used my Makeup by Mario palette, the peachier shade, to kind of soften that white because I don't want it to be too aggressive. And then from the Profusions palette, nicely from this palette, I have actually used this blush color. I have hit pan on this. It's a good kind of coral red, but I only used this, which is technically a bronzer. I use that as my blusher today. I kind of like a brown blush, kind of fun. And then on the lips, I have this ColourPop color. I cannot see it, but I'll put the name of it here on the video. And then a good dark winged eyeliner, tight line the eyes with my NYX waterproof eyeliner, and also my Kiko Milano Satin Caddell, one of my favorites. I did a brown wig with highlights today to kind of complement this color palette, and we're ready to go. See you in the next one.